今日咧去呢度咧係收4點半，有時咧佢會收2點半嘅喎。咁呢個咧就係民居嘅地方啦，但係咧都好有大自然嘅氣息嘅喎。咁我哋就 book 咗位啦。咁今日落去睇睇。咁啊呢度有停車場，泊咗個車㗎。一齊。Woke up to the hum of the world outside. Soft whispers drift like the ocean tide. All the chaos calmed in the morning glow. Let's breathe it in and just let it flow. Oh, the silent rhythm it plays in my mind. Echoes of solace in the space I find. Heartbeats. 佢呢間餐廳咧，原來咧係兩個鄰居咧就開嘅。咁呢間餐廳咧，嗰笪地咧就係佢哋屋企嘅地嚟嘅。咁佢哋開間咁世外桃源嘅餐廳，喺個啲樹林裏邊開咗間餐廳啦。咁啊，就係星期4、5、6日先開門做生意，咁其他咧就休息啦。咁生活都真係可以幾 hea 下，幾好。你睇佢呢度打星星咧就係開門嘅，咁呢啲日子咧都係唔開門。Time slows down, it's a beautiful haze.